Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. Oh Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. Oh Lord, we praise your name.
Do you have faith? Do you have reason? This is Faith and Reason, brought to you by Paul Apong, minister of the North Branch Church of Christ.
Mima wajo wa oshemi me yesempakane edema North Branch Church of Christ wo New York America Buchimemo yamamo wajo wa utie ye se we Church of Christ ni unti ene sa kasei sebena ebitimi nya umu nyansesua ni adesua kese na aboa ama Kristo asafo etimi akọ sabre die ekoso ewo Church of Christ mu ena me pese wonku ya na yetan eka betu asempa etredum yensa nyimu eduonu nan no se Yesu si ogufu bi kogu aba no daye no the tamfo begu ababone edefra abapano mu na ofiri hokoye Yesu Kristo eni ogufo no aba ogu ye no eni onyame asem a yemfra mu Luka nsempa etrimotwe no ekire yensa o tamfo a obegu no eni obonsam de odi abegum obedua no mu efifire eni de na enka de efuwura no edua efrim fitiase emawe mfi se nro na Israel eyo Onyankopon afuo Isaiah etrenum no enne krontofo medikan etremian Simon kron wose moye Onyankopon afuo nti ne Church of Christ na eyo Nyame afuo na sade Yesu bedua abapawo na afuo mu no ofiri hokoye no obonsam oye afuwura de tamfo besi akire dua bi frɛ mu no saa ne Onyankopon afuo ye na safo no bonsam abesi akire de niema bi bam niema efe a etrade ono ode asafo ne baaye ehyehye niema emu oha a enuru de ono ode na safo baaye ehyehye enne ne nyina ba Onyankopon asafo mu na de ne saadwumadi so meka ho asem ene autonomy se asori bia eni ne ho so we ni ade a Onyankopon duae e de share na safo na se de timekenkan e wo twronsem no mu e autonomy. However, obi bia ne ho a obetimi akan Bible no amayen book chapter and verse na wachere baby asa word autonomy ne de ewo nanso a concept a yehu ewo apanfoforo no atwero nyinaa mu asomafo kronkron a Yesu Kristo yi won no wonsem ka nyinaa mu no omuka autonomy ho asem se obi ebe debate se autonomy ni Bible mu nti etwase asori biara yakeka bom ni nya structure baako edisi wa mebisa oni ni se ono nso oje Trinity day na onche me Bible mu ba bia Trinity so wo but the bra won the word Trinity in the pages of scripture no yehu sa concept no unko wiase nyina nko yinipa nyina masuafo na momo won esu nhye agya oba ene hon kronkron waka three personalities no wo date no mo and that is what we call Trinity, the three that agrees in one Trinity. However, unhu sa adie wo 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 23 so wose na asomdwe Nyankopon no ntemo ho kora onhwe mo kra mu nipadua ene musunsum so ye beka ne se Trinity enso so ha miensa eye baako enti bra wunya the word Trinity ewo Bible no mu no you see the concept sanso ena bra wunya autonomy ewo Bible no mu no akenkan semi amede be ma we no ema you that concept say ewo ho but enne onipa sade yeti abribia no yenye satisfied edi made onyankopon ayden aka ene de wahye yehwe asomafosem 3:9 no nyimu adueno mienu ekron o se hyehyɛ asomafo na kraden tutu wonfo se won tragedy mu ka enso se etwa se yenam nyanko amanehunu pii mu ko nyankopon ahenie mu verse 23 na osisi mpanifo ma won asafo biare mu autonomy eno no asafo A ni asafo B asafo A won mpanifo asafo B won mpanifo asafo A betimi ya asori a eson womu osika asafo B betimi ya asori ketwa womu ni sika but the fact is asafo B eni sika no na ontimi nya niema sede onyankopon asampa no ho som adwuma etie no eno nkyira se ye ne B no ni A ni mekanye den emom ni yenya ahoden sede nipa ya bra boni asetena mu ebi ye sikafo nanso sikafo ne mfa ahiafo ne mene sede aman yomu no aman bi te sa America oso ne budget e buburu ya ne military send e buburu ya nanso Ghana onni hwe no otene ba bi di no so sana autonomy tie se wo your mind ko ade wo ye sovereign udi wo so wo ye autonomous nanso ho kire wa otumi kopemwa autonomy asia no yensan hwe Titus e honso oka eye autonomy e ho asem Titus chapter 1 verse 5 o say yenti na mijao Krita na wasiesie nioma aka no pepepe na wasisi kuro biara so mpanifo enti kuro biara so won mpanifo enti yentu mpanifo mbom yenka asore no mom na mpanifo mom na yemfa nkɔhye mpanifo bi ase obebi de yenya nente ye ne se Church of Christ bebre wo Ghana ne Christopher bebre wo ho a womo advocate say yemma ye friend say headquarters mra na preachers huna mane preachers amane hunu enye no preachers here enye ne se eno ho de ahweye ena ama empushiw amwa nkofa bibia onyankopon enua amfa ama Philippi for woman tie di osmafo Paul kan ye etire enai no nyemo eye edu kosi dumie no nso mani gikese wo awurade mu se mu afirase redwene me ho biom ahai Philip aso no ba akopɛ one church local congregation no odwene Paul ho menka se na Paul som ho nanso esan se oka asempa nti no na e osomafo e di ma Church of Christ Philip asafo no ka ho nti no wo mu hunu se papa yi o ye adwuma ma ye nyina ye mpe bibi mane no ahai enye headquarters na tie se wo se headquarters maybe some questions bi e wa ha na yahwe nanso mu anya ho kwan enye se ohianti en America ye efi se medie me Paul de masua se asetina biara mi wo mu no me pene ma no dɔɔso ma me minim ahobrase minim akonkosam die bibiara ne nioma nyina akokwa me ɔmeye ene yakom ene akonkosam ene hiadie enti se na wo supporter e free headquarters iba bi ba enka onihia ka onihia woteni ye ɛna afei so enka ɔma mebisa ɔmɛka saa asɛmi wɔ verse 14 nanso mo yɛ ni yie sɛ mo boa me iti sɛ mpaka ni bia ɔda mmoa asafo no ɛne ebinom a modwene no ho ɛde ma no ɛnyɛ sika bi ne agigye kɔto baabi ɛne ɛde atua sɛmpakafoɔ ka wote ne yɛ na yɛhwɛ na mo Filipofoɔ nso monim sɛ asɛmpa no mfiti aseɛ emu a mefiri Makedonia mekɔɔyɛ no asafo biara a mmoa me ɔma ne wɔgyeɛ nkontabuo ho sɛ mo nko ara so nti ɛkyerɛ sɛ haya kyerɛ sɛ sɛ ne yɛnyigye sika bi nkɔto baabi na mmom asɔre a ɔbɛdwene sɛmpakani ho no ɔno na ɔfa sɛmpakani ne hia ɛne ne ho abrabɔ ɛto no ho so ɔbɛyɛ biribi de ayɛdan ɛde aboa no deɛ yɛka kyerɛ ɔno sɛ Onyankopɔn afuo ɛne asafo no na sɛdeɛ ɛdɔ afuo a ɛwɔ mu a na ewura bi fifiri mu no media misusu sɛ autonomy nkyerɛkyerɛ ɛyɛ headquarters nkyerɛkyerɛ no ɛbɛyɛ biribi a ɛfifiri ɛwɔ Church of Christ mu ɛwɔ Ghana America Canada and Europe baby headquarters bi ani ho wote ni na awira hosem a ya na come in say enuanu a omo champion headquarters idea no omo nyina ba America omo amehu bi wa ha omo nyina ba Europe omo hu bi wo ho omo dudo no akọ Canada omo hu headquarters bia odofo de ntiate saa ne say Bible no eka se enipa bi awiewia won ho aba asafo no mo yenhwe Jude ngoma no na fe menka asem Jude ngoma no nyimo enan no se na nipa bi awiewia won ho abamu abade mu aba asafo no mo a ofritete atwero won ho asem di ato ho amasa atemu yi emumuyofo a odane ye Nyankopon adom ahohwie na opa owura koro a one ye Awurade Yesu Kristo no won a awiewia won ho abam nipa nyanwanwa obetima ye preacher wonni ne pa obetima ye preacher or ye very renowned or ye preacher or ye very eloquent or ye preacher or ye so much knowledgeable nanso no ene odi niema Onyankopon anhye Onyankopon anka eni beba asafo no ho e basa ete se Yesu afuo ho ba obu ye no na ewura foforo afifiri mu odofo ensam a omoka edi yi ano di kiremu edi kire die nti etwase ye makwan ema headquarters eba no ya na de chense ye bete ni nyina ne se ye dwene asempakafo ho sempaka ni local congregation no a wo preach mu no wo mo na se adwene wo ho ene wo local congregation no a wo betu nan se wo bekọ bie church wo ba bi no saa church no etwase wo so wo mu a ni sempaka ni a mo asoma no de na koto ano no ko sise wo mo be gina wo nan so ete se wo ba na kola no wo hwa ne saa ko so be wie college owie college no nya adwuma ya na fei o free won chen afei na wo yi won se free no mumu bebre e di America for ni abrofo support e di atworo din e di atete churches e di ya report agisika ene report support ne twa ndi afei di ye nyina meka yesika mo miamfa mwa wo da bi o wo yesa wo te se eja ana bema ote ho no nu so obeware nanso akɔhye oba nyinsa ne na wo mumu bebre mu obusua mu munnuanom entie mu asem akɔhye ma nyinsa ɛna wɔn ne wɔn awo ɛna wɔn yire no wɔn ne wɔn awo no ho haw wɔn de abedan mu a sabe enya oni oba no ne kɔhye aye so ɔkɔyi oba no ayi la mpo no wa mo amane nso one no wuwie ye no a Isan say one more boa no ho na one plan na niema na okofa nipa ba wiase ne twa so hwe no a ahoden ni wonti no na wo a wote nchan ene yese fesika bra me enkohwe no basa na chese eye teenage pregnancy ya prepare ya moya ho enwura ware mu saa ne won mo pese ye church headquarters no e pese mo ye na eye nipa so ban the desire to be what we are not. The desire to be what we are not. Make can free a year lessons to fortify your faith. And Nema a betimi ama or bought with GD by Michael Jackson, the black rock star, obviously wants to appear as white. Church of Christ of War, ye perceive yes Assemblies of God for. You perceive yes a Pentecostals. At said your Michael Jackson or you tuntum no person or you white. Or more he has gone to extremes to change his skin color, the appearance of his hair, his face has been radically altered to reach his goal. Sana Church of Christ will be Israel yes Israel a drew mribino. Na atemuafo ne di won so no omo kan say onyankopon mayen ohene judge samudi yen so no emma ya man no nya ni monyam emma no nya recognition se ya kwa mama no nhia mu ase a mayen ohene ne yen so na pakan mu etise Michael Jackson on pen color. And the churches of Christ be brave and the simple New Testament doctrine, the simple New Testament pattern, the simple New Testament organization. And therefore, ye fresh in society. O tise Michael Jackson on penny color. And you know, but could be a friend of Eminem. It's a white young man who badly wants to be a black rap star. Many young white males wish to identify with the gangster rap culture. They deafen themselves with the music, wear the clothing, speak the vile language, practice the same crude manners. There are men who desperately wish to be female and women who wish to be male. They wear the clothing of the opposite sex. They learn to talk and walk like the opposites. They try to fill the sexual roles their bodies were not made for. They close their eyes and stop their ears to the prohibitions God has given regarding such conduct. Leviticus chapter 18:22. Ye nimpa so Nyankopon say church bi ani no so. But ya yes Eminem. Ye pese ye white, ye pese ye black. Ya yes ye Michael Jackson. Ye nim baby ye free. Nanso ye kondo the Pentecostals ye kondo Catholic for the Church of Christ for so for bebre wamontare asa de omabokola ye shed up pam ne ye see no corner round na white bo o wa mobo uni adwosuo obiara woni nyedie wote ho bibini na otesa ukọ Ghana emma bebre mpo mo skin into omo bleach san and the Church of Christ netie or say there are Christians who preach for non-denominational churches of Christ who crave to be accepted as members of the denominational community. They speak of their denomination, they attend denominational ministerial alliances, they participate in denominational services and crusades, they relish their degrees from denominational seminaries, they walk, talk and act like denominational preachers. They even preach like them. We shake our head at Michael Jackson's bizarre conduct. We wonder about Eminem and his kind. We view the homosexuals and transvestites with disgust. How then shall we view those brethren who are ashamed of their faith? Church of Christ for ye ne omoni ewuwa momon kase didie. Their Pentecost of 4 years and a year faith, and therefore they want to copy it. 10 years, their identity with the church which Christ built and who gladly sell their souls in order to be what God did not intend for them to be. True, Jackson and Eminem have been successful in their quest for money and fame. The homosexuals have been very successful in their quest for acceptance and power. True, some of our change agents have been successful in the eyes of the world, but to purchase their fame, they have forsaken the ways of Jehovah. Jeremiah 2:13. They have abandoned the old paths of New Testament Christianity for the ways of men. Jeremiah 6:16. Rather than applaud them, you should reject them. 2 John 10:11. Rather than honor them, you should pity them, for they have exchanged the true for the false, the genuine for the counterfeit, that which is eternal for that which is temporal and passing. Their conduct is as bizarre and disgusting as the others who, like them, are not content to be what God made them to be. John Wadi. Yeah, obi quote bi na memfa sa friend saying episode when mrewe na yemfite foforo ase. A new dialogue has been adopted by the new Christians of our day. You can new Christians a Christopher warm de in church of foforo hwehwe niema yo foforo nie from new Christians. Christianity atete samo niema ensesa. What I say? When you talk about new Christians, we are talking about people who are advocating for change, who are bringing innovations, change in that. Oba is several loss upon na yeden. Oba a leader someone na yeden. Oba a preacher na yeden for no. They are called new Christians. It's a new wave of doctrine. Boba. Ne mu bebre wo mu disani menachino. American support, American congregations are almost shares any be. And atiti won, omoji won sika, omoji won some support. And omo behave at sa. And a yenya yaka e Ghana, ye nimhwe no, ye huri adi akire. And o makacha yen say ye ke churches ni bom, ni enya headquarters a. And you bit me a share so for ye. Me no be boom konta after this episode. Na yentie. The first words of which reads, "Thou shalt not disagree," and a new set of Beatitudes too, which begins, "Blessed are they that tolerate everything, for they shall not be made accountable for anything." It is now the accepted thing to talk over religious differences in public with the understanding that no one will try to convert another or point out errors in his belief. Imagine Moses agreeing to take part in a panel discussion with Israel over the golden calf. Can you imagine that? Say, the golden calf no Moses check Israel 14 team won a year no mo say Israel onyam you okoyi wo free de man Midraim no woni no na Moses bu fu ye na auto emransem du no e ball from no. Sometime later Moses ni Israel betena say na ye debate say golden calf no ye nyintum ana me nyintum. It is a Church of Christ Onyakopon ama ye autonomy ana autonomous. It is said they ode ayi mransem du no ama Israel. Nanso Israel kwa for the golden calf. Na fei ye dia besi wo say ye debate say eya na enye. Say eya na enye yenyi golden calf no entum na yenyintum. With Israel over the golden calf, or Elijah engaging in a gentlemanly dialogue with the prophets of Baal. Baal akonfo Elijah no mutwa so no. Ewo kunkum wo no ekire no yemeye debate nka say etwa say yenje Baal akonfo entum anasa me anyi wo ntum. Abra the die has been cast. Elijah no mo enya confrontation. Am Nyankopon approve Elijah right. Am ye kunkum Baal akonfo no se omo confuse eye oman no saa de we no ne yen trase ne yen debate wo se yen fa eye headquarters ana yen bekasa autonomy enye na yen pa structure bi ensi wo a etise enenke larger any Israel asa hia atena table ho so mu debate wo mu ni be ya de ban akonfo bibi onyankopon se enye bibi onyankopon akondem the golden calf Moses akondem no na enne ye trase na ye say ye be debate Church of Christ for bibi ya hayen who teni ye asori na no an so benya sika o asori na no an se osofo edaka mu ana osofo asetre mu ayefe o nyankopon ene na dwuma ene aso no otuaka okana sam no kuremu a obetua oka obehirawo na wira fidi oka che Timothy mia wani huna manne se Kristo Yesu sra nipa wa say sra ni bie no wo huna manne omun wura mo nidi na wowo emoa na otamfo no tutuo no mo doji no mo datechem ti asampaka adwuma no etise obi ye eye osrani mana ka kire sama na hunu ni mu Paul ti de Paul kan o se minnim ohiadie but enne nipa bi se da bi enise preacher di hia enti yam fast structure bi nsi na autonomy ene haye me professor bi kura de o ka kire no say on na kire ma de e wo say nwoma mu afa eduru mre bi no na o ka say autonomy no kura ono ne aboa ban me wire hoye e wo say lectures na say odofo awutie yen enche na Yesu abao etwase oba no beto na safo no sade asomafo no gya ho ma yen no na won say o say atemuda no obeka che bebre say minimo mfiri mesonko wonim bra ye ka che obi say minino ebre onipa na asesa yare betimi asesa obi ni Yesu betimi asesa na fei bia otukwa ya che na obebo opum ubebie mpuma no na saa nipa na woni no na de aye no ntino na wasesa utimi ka opum tum se wonnim no se ye makwan masaa ne eman headquarters no ne saa ne eman ba church ni mu a ye besesa ye Yesu na Yesu be ka kire yen se ye